Hello, namaste. Today we will discuss on the topic refund by Freeze Quarantine. The lesson from grade 11 compulsory English, one act play. Let's see the summary of the play. Before going to summary, let's see setting. Mostly takes place in school. The setting of the play is in a school. Then characters, the principal, the servant, Rasakov. Rasakov is the main character, the mathematics teacher, the physics teacher, the staff, the geography teacher, the history teacher. Here I have mentioned teacher, but in the lesson, in the play, you may see master. Let's see summary. The one act play, Refund, is about a man named Rasakov who goes back to the school in which he had studied and demands a refund of all the tuition fees. He claims that he learned nothing useful at school. In the end, he loses his fight against the school as he is tricked by the mathematics teacher. The play is full of humor which deals with an extraordinary absurd situations. This is the main thing. If you understand this, then you will understand whole lesson. See how it starts and how it ends. Wasserkopf is 40 years old. He doesn't succeed in getting any job. He is said to be fit for nothing. One day he met his classmate Lederer. He asked Lederer about his business when he was told about foreign exchange and Hungarian money. He didn't understand anything. He started asking questions about foreign exchange. Lederer remarked on his study for not knowing the ordinary thing about foreign exchange. Rasakov was suggested to go to the school and get his tuition fees back. He thinks that this idea will be beneficial as he is jobless and does not have any finance. He goes to the school where he studied once. When he asks for the refund, the principal is shocked. The principal is in a difficult situation. He calls for an urgent meeting with all staff. The teachers realize that Rasakov intends to fail the exam and claims the refund. Therefore, they decided to outsmart the old student by proving all his answers right. The mathematics master said that they have to help each other to carry out their plan. The teachers decide to ask him the questions orally and prove him right whatever answers he gives. Vasakov's test starts. The history master asks him the first question. His question is that how long the 30 years war lasted. The answer is in the question itself. But Rasakov said that the 30 years war lasted for 7 meters. The history master is helpless to prove his answer right. Luckily, the mathematics master says that the answer is right as it is on the basis of Einstein's theory of relativity. Rasakov calls the history master a numbskull. The physics master questions him if clocks in church steeples really become smaller as he walks away from them, or they merely appear to become smaller because of an optical illusion. He calls the physics master an S. The teacher says that the answer is correct because the S does not have any illusion of vision. The geography master asks him what city of the same name is the capital of the German province of Brunswick. His answer is simply the word same. The teacher verifies his answer. All teachers mark him excellent, though he uses abusive words to them. They do not show their anger because they have to prove him as an excellent student. At last, the mathematics master asks him one easy and the other difficult question. For the easy question, his reply is wrong. The teacher gets angry and says that he has failed his examination, so he should be given his tuition fees back. The teacher says that the school has decided to return his tuition fees and asks for the exact amount which he will get. He is unaware of their trap. He gives them the exact detail of the tuition fees. The mathematics master says that it is his difficult question and he answered rightly. The principal presents the result of the examination. He declares that Rakskov has passed with distinction in every subject and has again shown that he is entitled to the certificate they awarded him on his graduation. The servant seized Rakskov by the collar and his trousers and raises him off. The teachers are able to handle the situations wisely. If you feel difficulty, let's see some questions, also question answer from the text you may get from this video. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you everybody for watching this video.